You've come to learn about trading the 30-minute chart with moving averages. Good. Most traders rush into this game like children sprinting into the ocean, only to get slammed by the first wave. You're here because you're tired of that. You want to operate like a professional, not a gambler. And if you expect to use a simple tool like a moving average to squeeze money out of this market, then you'd better understand the spirit behind the tool, not just the lines on your screen. Let me tell you something right out of the gate. Moving averages don't predict a damn thing. They reveal. They summarize. They filter noise. But they don't tell the future. I spent most of my life learning the difference between information and illusion, and you'd better learn it too. If you think you can slap a 50 and a 200 on a chart and suddenly trade like a genius, you're already lost. This market rewards discipline, not decoration. When I first started, I didn't have indicators. I had price and tape. But the principle was always the same. The trend reveals itself slowly, and if you are patient enough, it will hand you money. If you're impulsive, it will strip you clean. Moving averages are nothing but the modern trader's translation of the tape. They smooth the fluctuations, they show the dominant path. And on a 30-minute chart, they can turn chaos into clarity if you know how to read them without lying to yourself. Most traders fail because they want certainty. They want a signal that says, buy now and you'll win. And that desperation is exactly what gets them slaughtered. A moving average crossover is not a promise. It's a clue, a hint that the tide might be shifting, and your job, if you intend to survive, is to wait for confirmation, manage your risk, and never overstay your welcome. Let's talk about why the 30-minute chart matters. It's not too fast, where every tick feels like a gunshot, and it's not too slow, where you wait days for a signal that comes too late. The 30-minute time frame sits right in that sweet spot where short-term traders and swing traders overlap. It shows you the battle between impatience and intention. It reveals the intraday rhythm without drowning you in noise. And in that structure, moving averages can guide you if you let them. But before we touch techniques, understand this. No method works without the right mind. I've made millions and lost millions, and every time I lost, the cause was not the market, it was me. My fear, my excitement, my refusal to obey my own rules. The market will always try to seduce you into breaking discipline. Moving averages will try to make you believe you see patterns that aren't there. You must stay ruthless with yourself, or you will pay. Now let's talk structure. You need at least 2 moving averages on your 30-minute chart, one fast and one slow. The fast one shows short-term pressure. The slow one reveals the broader path of least resistance. Think of the fast average as the footsteps of traders acting now, and the slow average as the trail left by traders who've been committed over time. When the fast crosses above the slow, it suggests buying pressure is starting to overwhelm selling pressure. When it crosses down, the opposite is true. Simple. But don't be deceived. Simplicity does not mean ease. Most amateurs buy the moment a crossover hits. That's how they get trapped. The crossover is not the entry. It's the alert. When the fast clears the slow, you don't jump. You watch. You ask, is price respecting the move? Is volume supporting the shift? Is momentum expanding or fading? A true trend wants to move. A false move flickers and dies quickly. And here's where the 30-minute chart becomes your ally. On this time frame, a real trend will show at least 2 things: higher lows forming in an uptrend or lower highs forming in a downtrend. If the moving averages cross and price still struggles like a drunk man trying to stand, skip the trade. Strong trends don't hide, they reveal themselves. They show commitment. Your entry should come after the first pullback following the crossover, never before. You wait for price to test the fast-moving average, show rejection, and continue in the direction of the trend. That's your moment. That's where the risk to reward finally tilts in your favor. The amateurs enter during excitement. The professionals enter during hesitation. The difference is the difference between bankruptcy and a fortune. If you can't wait for a pullback, you'll lose. If you can't avoid chasing, you'll lose. If you treat the moving average like a magic wand instead of a structural guide, you'll lose. I learned these lessons through pain. You can learn them through patience. And don't forget the most important rule. Trade only when the moving averages agree with the overall market rhythm. The 30-minute chart is fine, but it's not the whole picture. If the higher time frames show consolidation, don't expect the 30-minute chart to give you a trend worth trading. You'll be squeezing pennies out of a market that's trying to rest. And the market doesn't reward those who poke it while it's sleeping. Risk management is the only thing that kept me alive long enough to learn how to make money. When you trade with moving averages, your stop belongs below the most recent swing low in an uptrend or above the most recent swing high in a downtrend, not where you feel safe, not where your emotions calm down, where the structure demands it. If price violates that level, the trend is no longer valid, and you must exit without negotiation. Most traders refuse to accept small losses, so they end up suffering catastrophic ones. If you can't take a small loss with discipline, then this business is not for you. The market is not obligated to behave just because your indicator lined up perfectly. You must remain humble in front of the unknown. And when you catch a trend, because you will, if you stay patient, you must hold it like a professional. Moving averages will guide you on exits too. When the fast average begins flattening while price hesitates around it, the trend is losing steam. When the fast crosses back through the slow, the party is over. Don't let greed whisper in your ear. Take your profits and calculate your next strike. Let me tell you something about human nature. The moment you make money, you will think you've figured it out. That's the moment the market punishes you. Consistency is not born from brilliance. It is born from repetition, from following a process so boring, so predictable, that your ego will try to sabotage it. This is why professionals succeed. They don't need excitement. They need results. Every moving average strategy fails when the trader using it lacks discipline. A trader with discipline can make money using a damn pencil and paper. Tools don't create profits. Behavior does. If you trade the 30-minute moving average system properly, you will have long stretches of boredom punctuated by brief moments of clarity where you strike with precision. That's how fortunes are made, with restraint, not with constant action. You don't trade because you want to. You trade because the setup is undeniable. And don't forget this. After every significant win, step back. Clear your head. Don't assume the market will give you another victory just because you feel lucky. Luck has wiped out more traders than bad analysis ever has. If you insist on trading during choppy markets, your moving averages will whip you around like a rag doll. You'll get crossovers that lead nowhere, breakouts that fail instantly, trends that die before they begin. Professionals avoid these periods. They wait. Amateurs bleed. Trading is not about predicting. It's about aligning yourself with the market's path. Moving averages on the 30-minute chart help you see that path, but only if you stop trying to bend the market to your will. Let the lines show you the rhythm, not the future. I've blown fortunes by thinking I was smarter than the market. I made fortunes by finally accepting that I wasn't. You will discover the same truth one way or another. Whether it costs you money or earns you money depends on your willingness to obey the rules. Use the fast average as your pulse. Use the slow average as your backbone. Enter after the pullback. Exit when the structure breaks. And above all, protect your capital as if your life depends on it, because in this business, your trading life absolutely does. The 30-minute chart can be your ally. The moving averages can be your compass. But discipline, that's your lifeline. Without it, nothing works. With it, even a simple method becomes a weapon. Trade only when the odds are stacked. Trade only when emotion is silent. Trade only when your process leaves no room for doubt. If you can do that, this market will reward you handsomely. If you can't, it will devour you without hesitation. Now take these lessons to your chart and apply them with the seriousness of someone who intends to survive this game, not just play it. The market does not owe you a living. You must earn it every day with patience, discipline, and unwavering respect for risk. That's how you trade moving averages on the 30-minute chart like a professional, not with hope, not with excitement, with clarity, structure, and discipline, always discipline.